I want to show you how to add item level tracking number to an existing product, and also how to check out with a product with item level tracking. So after creating your product on add new products page, you look for the product on this page, on products page, and click on add stock. So when you click on add stock, you select the store which the product exists. Then you click on yes. So you have to click on yes before you can add tracking numbers on a particular product, because the tooltip is explaining why you should turn on to yes if you want to add item level tracking number to a particular product. So after doing that, you just come here where this enter or scan each tracking number stroke IMEI numbers followed by a comma. So item level tracking. So this is where you input the tracking numbers the product you for the product. So and one important thing is that once you input a number for a tracking number, you have to add a comma to it before you'll be able to input a new tracking number. So I'm just going to input random numbers for the purpose of this video. And if you notice, in this part of quantity, the more numbers I input with comma, the quantity increases. So it would automatically calculate the numbers of tracking numbers you've imputed. So it would keep increasing it for you. So I'm going to do 10 quantity. So once the quantity gets to 10, I will stop. And so that's 10. Then after that, we're adding to stock. So after adding to stock, if you want to check um your stock history, if the new stock was added, you come to you click on these three icon, and click on track history. Then you see you see the number of product you added, numbers of tracking number product you added to that product. Then after that, if you want to track item, so if you want track item of your product, you come here and you see 15 tracking numbers. So now I've created 15 tracking numbers for a particular product, which I created with 100 quantity when I was creating the product. Then this page is to check stock history. So it is saying sold stock, so it is telling me that I have sold one of the um tracked item. So this is it. This is one of the tracked items. So it's taking me to transaction page, sales transaction page, to like read more on the item I sold. So going back to it. So after that, so now I want to sell. So I want to sell an order product that has a tracking number. So I come to sell mode, I click on the item, and you would see the list of products of tracking numbers. So you just select how many products you want to sell. So I've selected two. I selected two of the product. I click on continue shopping, and I want to check out. And I've successfully checked out. So when you want to print the receipt for your customer, when you click on print on receipt, the item with the tracking number is included in the receipt. But I will not be able to show you using print on receipt, but I can show you using print. So this is exactly how it will also be on print on receipt. So after the ordered items, the next thing you see is item tracking number. So the name of the product and the numbers that was and the tracking number um and the tracking numbers. So that's how it works. So after that, going back to product and confirming if truly okay I sold a product. So now we can see that in stock history, we can see the order number and stock type, which is sold, stock, and quantity. So I checked out two quantity. Then also in track item, also in track item, we can see before that um it was 15 tracking numbers available before, but now it is 13 because I've sold two out. So you would not see the two that I sold out here again. You would see it in sold stock. So now the sold stock has increased. It was just one before. So now I've sold two products, and now these are the sold stock. So for this available stock, you can decide to edit in the sense that okay, maybe you made a mistake in inputting the tracking number. So you can add more, you can delete, change it, something like that. So once I edit, you can see that the numbers have increased. So it's just for you to edit the tracking number, and you can decide to also delete a tracking number. Maybe you don't want to sell that product again or something like that, so you can delete it. So that's um basically how to add tracking numbers to a particular product, and how to check out with a product. It also works with variant. So okay, let me work with a variant. So for variant, you add store, then it will ask you to select the variant you want to work with. Then you click on yes to activate item level tracking. So for this one, I will just do two item level, because I don't, or three. So I will not waste time, and don't always forget to put the comma after the tracking number so it can add it to the system and count. So after that, I'm adding to stock. Then it's still the same on checkout. On sell mode is the same on stock history, is also the same on item level. So okay, but for this one, it would bring you can select the variant which you want to view the available stock. So for the variant which is black, I've not created an item level tracking for it. So I only did for yellow. That's why when I select on yellow, I see um the tracking numbers for the product, the variant product, which is yellow. While is the same with sold stock. So if I had sold a product which has a tracking number, this yellow, I would see the sold item. Yes, same as black. So if I select black too, I'll also see the tracking number. So that's how it works. So it works both for single product and variant product. Thank you.